Hey everyone, welcome to channel by Ria. I know I'm not Ria, but I promise I will get her in the video soon. Okay, but before that, I thought today I will start off by showing what we are cooking today. So it's Sunday. I know, like Sundays, and everyone will cook something, like special for your family. So, same for me. I love to make something special on Sunday. So today I'm making something. So let's see. And
Hello.
yes, yeah. Okay.
Okay, I will come.
So I'm going to make a chicken dish, and before we start, I would like to tell that if you see, most of you may be having this issue. Like if you have a non-stick pan or anything, like after a while, how much effort you take not to make these things, this coating come out, but somehow I don't know, it end up coming out, right? So it's better once you see the coatings coming out, it's better not to use that particular like a vessel. Usually I change it when I see the coating coming out. I have to change this. I know, but today I'm just going to use the same like a kadai, but I'll be changing this. So oil, I have poured in oil. Next I have some like bay leaf, some cumin and fennel seed, and so I'm going to drop it in. This is the first time I'm shooting with my iPhone, so I don't know, I'm finding it very difficult to do it, but let me try. Okay, so I already dropped in this spices, the bay leaf, the cumin and fennel, because I was finding it very difficult to do it with one hand, holding the um, mobile. So I just, like dropped it. Okay. Next, once it is like, like the raw smell, you can feel it. Like people who often do cooking, they will know. Like when the raw smell is gone and you will get a very good aroma, so that means the spices are done. So just put in the onions. I have already sliced them. There you go. Going to saute them until they turn light brownish color, not brownish, sorry, light golden color. Okay, so together with the chicken, we'll be having aloo and paneer paratha for lunch. So I have prepared the potato, like I have already boiled and kept it, and also some, like some onion flakes, sorry, chili flakes, onions, so everything I have kept it ready. Once I am done with the chicken, once I keep it, mix all the spices, everything close and keep it for cooking, then we will start on with the paratha. Okay. Okay, so you can see the color is like slowly changing. Of course, we have to wait for some more time. It has to, like turn light goldenish color. And you can see right there, my mom and Ria, they're just watching one Malayalam movie. Because, even when we were small, I still remember, like Sundays used to be, like a day to relax, have good food, watch some movie. And I still remember during that time they used to show this regional movies, okay, which used to come like alphabet wise, no, like A Assamese movie, B Bengali movie, so it used to come like that. So we were so eager. Sunday lunch, everything will eat off fast, finish off fast, and we'll be just waiting for that movies. So like, but now obviously, like, all those things have changed, right? But even now, Sunday for everyone, it's a day to just relax. You will wake up late, you will cook some good food for the family, spend time with family. So I'm sure it's same for everyone. Okay, so I've dropped in the chicken and I'm going to mix it properly. Yeah.
Huh?
What? Where is Loki and Lily?
I think they might be hiding somewhere.
Okay.
I couldn't find it.
Go and check.
I will find them.
Okay. Okay, so there are like different ways of making chicken. Okay, you can find like lot of recipes. So I try to make like a different recipes. I don't try to. I mean, I don't repeat the same recipe. I just try to like experiment different recipes, and Ria loves chicken, so however I make, whatever I make doesn't matter. She will finish it, so I don't have to worry about that. So I just try experimenting, and now I'm finding it very difficult to mix it properly, so let me just mix it properly first, then I will come back. Oh, and we have our Loki here. Loki baby, this is Loki. This is your Loki.
ഇത് ലോക്കിയാ ഇത് ലോക്കിയാ അയ്യോ ശൂഷ് പോകട്ടെ അയ്യോ ശൂഷ്
So I have these things for my paratha. Potato is already cooked. Okay, let me just smash them properly. Okay, done. So this is how it looks. So there is potato. Ria, do you want to tell what all things did we put inside?
Potato is there.
What else?
Onion is there. Then onion, coriander,
and chili flakes.
and chili flakes.
Okay. So next, I'm going to take this paneer and just no wait. Just like press it like this, because you didn't wash your hands, right? That's why. Next time you can do, okay? Next time when I'm cooking, wash your hands, Amika. Maybe you can mix. Na, kalakiko. Sheriki. Here, just taste a bit how it's. Nah, taste and let me know how it is.
Oh, അമ്മ നല്ല രുചിയുണ്ട്.
Okay. Just a quick check on our chicken. So yes, smells awesome. So let it cook for some more time. Okay, so first I took a ball. It's maybe like bigger than a lemon, like not your usual size, little bigger, like medium size. I took this size and I just like roll them. Now into this I am going to keep the stuffing. Okay, so just just roll them up like this.
അമ്മ ഹലോ അമ്മേ.
Wait, Rhea, wait, hold on.
ഓ ശരി അമ്മേ.
Just lightly. So that all the mix is spread evenly. Then just lightly, please don't press too much. Just lightly you have to flatten them.
Mama, can I have one more piece?
Okay, sure. There you go. Maybe that's it. Is it yummy?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So we are having our paratha. Usually we have rice items only for lunch, but today we thought more, actually for breakfast we have rice, so we thought why not for lunch we make something different. Is it yummy, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll finish our lunch, then we'll come back. We are done with our lunch. Now it's time to relax for some time. Let me see what Ria is doing. Ria, enna edukva?
എനിക്ക് ഷോർട്ട് സ്റ്റോറീസ് കാണുവാണ്.
Okay, she's watching some rhymes or something. Ria, നിനക്ക് ചായ വേണോ?
എനിക്ക് ചായ വേണം.
Actually, I made her tea as well. Just a bit. Usually, Ria doesn't drink like a tea every day, but sometimes little bit. Nah.
ഓ ശരിയാണ്. താങ്ക് യു.
കൊടുത്തതാണ്ട് ഇവിടെ ഇതുണ്ട് like this. Wait, let me just.
ഓ ശരി അമ്മേ.
Okay.
Now we are all ready to sleep. Thank you for watching my vlog and subscribe to my channel below. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.